Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about some of the important points, some key ideas from the book Himalaya of Thought, written by SHAH. I think this is the third video on this book. I'm doing a proper analysis of this book, and I have selected the most important points. If you take notes of these points and if you're trying to put them into practice in your practical life, I'm pretty sure they're going to leave some positive impact on your life. Let's get started with the points. Point number one is extraordinary life. According to the writer Malaysia, how you can live an extraordinary life, or how you can become an extraordinary individual in whatever field you are working. So according to the writer, you should be having two qualities to be an extraordinary individual in any field you are working in. Quality number one is the required skill. You must be fully familiar with the cutting-edge technology, techniques, and strategies to get your work done in a perfect possible manner. This is number one. Okay. For example, if you are a teacher and you are teaching any specific subject, you should be expert of that subject. You must be able to explain each and every point, each and every article given in that book. You must be able to answer each and every question. You must have the needed skill to teach that subject. This is point number one. And point number two is your attitude should be positive towards everyone in your life and everything happening in your life. Your approach should be positive. The example which I give you, if you are a teacher, your attitude should be positive. You should be encouraging your students to do something extraordinary in their life. You should be motivating them. Okay, so if your attitude is positive and you have the required skill to get your work done, it means your personality is complete. And if anything is missing, then you are incomplete. An incomplete person can never become an extraordinary individual. So you got to be complete. Okay, your attitude should be positive and you should be having the required skill. Then you can excel in any field. This is point number one. And point number two is get motivated first, then motivate others. The writer, Malaysia, says you cannot motivate other people if you yourself are not motivated in the first place. And that is true. For example, if you are motivating other people to do something specific, you must have put it into practice in your own practical life. You must have applied it in your own practical life before telling other people to do it. Okay, after applying it in your practical life, if you got to know that it will add value to the lives of other people, and if you know that it's gonna bring some positive, it's gonna leave some positive impact on the lives of other people, then you can talk to other people about it. After applying it in your own practical life, if you talk to other people, then the words will be coming from your heart, and people will not be listening to your words, they'll be feeling your words. Why? Because you have already done it. You are motivated about it by yourself, and then you are talking to other people. Then people will be listening to your words, you will be better able to get your message across. So this is point number two. Get motivated first, then you can motivate other people. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. You will be notified about the upcoming videos.